AutoCAD and CNC, they work real well together, but for some designs, trying to get them into AutoCAD is very difficult. Look at this particular design. It would take a long time to get that design into AutoCAD. There has to be a better way. There is. It's called the logic trace system. I just place the pattern on the tracing board, trace it out with the pen stylus, and have a very accurate DXF vector file in just a few minutes that I can load right into AutoCAD. Look at that. It's so easy. Just trace it with the pen, no measuring, and save the file. There's the outline. Let's do some circles here. I'm going to do 3-point circles, doing 3 points on the circle, and it pops it in there. The logic trace system comes in the boards come in a variety of sizes. This one here is 44 by 60 inches. We also have smaller ones and larger ones. The logic trace system is a complete system with the tracing board, the software, the pen stylus, the 16-button cursor. It looks great. Have I missed any circles? Let's save the file and load it into AutoCAD.